Mastering the phrase, adept at managing. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, adept at managing. This phrase is not only useful in various contexts but also enriches your English language skills. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and some examples to help you become more confident in using it. Firstly, let's break down the phrase. Adept is an adjective that describes someone who is very skilled or proficient at something. It comes from Latin, where it meant someone who has achieved something. In modern English, being adept means you are not just good at something, you are exceptionally good at it. Now, let's look at managing. To manage means to be in charge of something, like a project, a team, or a situation. It involves making decisions, solving problems, and often leading others. So, managing isn't just about overseeing. It's about effectively handling various tasks and responsibilities. When we combine these two words into the phrase, adept at managing, we're talking about someone who is exceptionally skilled in handling responsibilities, leading teams, or overseeing projects. This phrase is often used in professional contexts but can apply to any situation where skillful management is involved. Let's see some examples to understand better. 1. She is adept at managing complex projects with tight deadlines. 2. His ability to remain calm makes him adept at managing high-pressure situations. 3. Being adept at managing her time allows her to balance work and personal life effectively. And that's a wrap on Adept at Managing. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding and using this phrase confidently in your conversations and writing. Remember, language learning is a journey, and you're doing great. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language tips. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.